Hey there, science enthusiasts. Today we're diving into the amazing world of magnets and magnetisms. So, let's begin by starting with the question, what are magnets? They're objects that create invisible forces called magnetic fields that can attract curtain metals. These fields can attract metals like iron, etc. Ever played with a fridge magnet? Yep, that's the power of magnetism in action. Magnets are more than just fun toys. They're essential for all sorts of cool stuff, from making electricity to powering speakers. Without magnets, our world would be a very different place. Think about it. No electric motors, no computers, no smartphones, and even no electric cars. How will we save the environment? Now, let's get one thing straight. Not all metals are attracted to magnets. Iron, nickel, and cobalt are the big three. Try sticking a magnet to aluminum foil or a penny, it won't work. So buckle up. We're about to embark on a magnetic adventure, exploring different types of magnets, their history, and their countless uses. Get ready to be amazed by the power of magnetism. Just like there are different types of automobiles, there are different types of magnets. Each type has its own special properties and uses. Let's meet the magnet family, shall we? First up, we have permanent magnets. These guys are always on, constantly producing a magnetic field. They come in all shapes and sizes, from the tiny magnets in your headphones to the powerful ones used in electric motors. Next, we have temporary magnets. These are like the shy cousins of permanent magnets. They only become magnetic when they're near a strong magnetic field. Think of a paperclip sticking to a magnet. Remove the magnet and the paperclip loses its magnetism. Finally, we have electromagnets. These magnets are powered by electricity. Wrap a wire around a piece of iron and pass an electric current through it, and voila, you've got yourself an electromagnet. The best part? You can turn them on and off. Electromagnets are used in all sorts of things, from cranes to loudspeakers. Let's talk about the classics. Bar magnets and horseshoe magnets. These are the magnets you probably remember from science class. Simple yet effective. A bar magnet is just what it sounds like, a bar-shaped magnet. It has a north pole at one end and a south pole at the other. Here's a fun fact. Opposite poles attract, while like poles repel. So if you bring two bar magnets together, their north and south poles will stick together. Try bringing two north poles together and they'll push each other away. Now, a horseshoe magnet is simply a bar magnet bent into the shape of a U. This shape brings the north and south poles closer together, making the magnetic field between them super strong. Horseshoe magnets are great for picking up heavy metal objects. Hold on to your hats because we're about to enter the world of supermagnets. These are not your average fridge magnets. These bad boys are incredibly strong and used in some seriously high-tech applications. One of the most powerful types is the neodymium magnet. These magnets are made from an alloy of neodymium, iron and boron. Don't let their small size fool you. They pack a serious magnetic punch. You'll find neodymium magnets in everything from hard drives and headphones to wind turbines and electric cars. Then there are samarium cobalt magnets. These magnets are known for their resistance to high temperatures and demagnetization. They're often used in aerospace applications where things can get pretty hot. Section 5. The long and winding history of magnets. The story of magnets goes way back, thousands of years. The ancient Greeks were among the first to discover the power of magnetism. They found naturally occurring magnets called lodestones, which are pieces of magnetite, a magnetic iron ore. These lodestones could attract iron and amazingly align themselves with the Earth's magnetic field. This discovery led to the invention of the compass, a game changer for navigation. The early Chinese were using compasses as far back as the 2nd century BC. These early compasses were simply lodestones floating on pieces of wood in water. The lodestone would naturally align itself north-south, allowing sailors to find their way across the open seas. For centuries, lodestones were the only magnets around. Then, in the 18th century, scientists figured out how to create artificial magnets. These early artificial magnets were made by stroking steel needles with lodestones. This discovery opened up a whole new world of possibilities for magnets. Section 6. Magnetizing and demagnetizing. It's like magic but science. You can actually turn certain materials into magnets and just as easily take away their magnetic powers. It's like magic, but it's all about the science of magnetism. To magnetize an object, you need to align its tiny magnetic domains, which are like mini magnets inside the material. You can do this by stroking it with a magnet, placing it in a strong magnetic field, or even passing an electric current through it. It's like giving the material's internal magnets a little nudge in the right direction. Demagnetizing is basically the opposite. You can demagnetize an object by heating it up, striking it repeatedly, or applying a strong alternating magnetic field. It's like scrambling those little magnetic domains so they're no longer pointing in the same direction. Section 7, magnets, they're everywhere. You might not realize it, but magnets are everywhere. They're silently working their magic in countless devices and technologies we use every day. Take a look around your house. Your refrigerator door has magnets to keep it closed. Your headphones use magnets to create sound waves. Your computer uses magnets to store data on its hard drive. Even your credit card has a magnetic strip with your information encoded on it. But magnets aren't just for everyday gadgets. They play a crucial role in many industries too. They're used in generators to create electricity, in motors to power everything from cars to washing machines, and in recycling plants to separate metals. Magnets are even used in medicine. MRI machines, which doctors use to take detailed images of the inside of your body, rely on powerful magnets. Pretty amazing, right? Section 8. Earth, the biggest magnet of all. Here's a mind-blowing fact. Our planet Earth is basically a giant magnet. It has a magnetic field that surrounds us, protecting us from harmful radiation from the sun. But where does Earth's magnetic field come from? Deep down beneath the Earth's crust lies a molten outer core made mostly of iron. The movement of this molten iron creates electric currents, which in turn generate a magnetic field that extends far out into space. This magnetic field is what makes compasses work. The needle of a compass is simply a small magnet that aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field lines pointing north and south. So, next time you're feeling grounded, remember that you're standing on top of a giant spinning ball of molten iron that's generating a massive magnetic field. Pretty cool, huh? Section 9, make your own compass. It's easy. Want to see the power of Earth's magnetism in action? You can make your own simple compass with just a few materials. Here's what you'll need: a sewing needle, a magnet, a cork, and a bowl of water. First, magnetize your needle by stroking it with the magnet in one direction only, from one end to the other, about 20 times. Next, carefully push the needle through the cork horizontally. Now, gently place the cork with the needle in the bowl of water. The needle will slowly rotate until it aligns itself with the Earth's magnetic field, with one end pointing north and the other pointing south. Congratulations, you've just built your very own compass. Now you can impress your friends with your newfound navigation skills. Section 10. That's a wrap on magnets. Well, there you have it, science fans. We've journeyed through the fascinating world of magnets, from their different types and amazing properties to their long history and countless uses. Remember, magnets are more than just fun toys or tools. They're essential for our modern way of life and play a crucial role in everything from generating electricity to exploring the human body. So keep exploring, keep asking questions, and never stop being amazed by the wonders of science. And hey, if you ever find yourself lost, just remember the power of magnets and your trusty compass. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting science adventures. See you next time. Now that you've learned all about magnets, let's test your knowledge. Ready for a quick quiz? Question 1. What are the two poles of a magnet called? A. North and south. B. East and west. C. Up and down. Question 2. Which type of magnet is the strongest? A. Ferrite. B. Alnico. C. Neodymium. Question 3. What is the biggest magnet in the world? A. The Earth. B. The Sun. C. A giant magnet in a lab. Answer the questions in the comments below. Let's see how much you remember about our magnetic journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting science adventures. See you next time.